The ginkgo tree, often called a living fossil, has been around for over 200 million years, surviving the age of dinosaurs. Its unique fan-shaped leaves and resilience make it truly remarkable. Unlike most trees, ginkgos are dioecious, meaning there are male and female trees. The males produce pollen, while the females bear fruit that can be quite smelly when ripe. Despite this, ginkgos are cherished in urban landscapes for their stunning fall color. They thrive in harsh conditions, showcasing nature's incredible adaptability. Isn't it fascinating that these trees have witnessed the rise and fall of entire civilizations?